Hello, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home and also preparing for your final exams. Children, today we will going to start the exercise of chapter 18 Governing Ourselves after the reading of this chapter. Children, I want you all to go through the video and do the exercise in your notebook and complete your work. Get set. Given below are the legislatures of some countries. Read the clues and write the names of the country. First one, Federal Assembly. Asia, world's largest country. And the answer is Russia. Second point, Congress, North America dollar. And the answer is Washington DC. Third point, DIET. Asia yen. And the answer is Japan. Fourth point, National Congress, South America football. And the answer is Argentina. Fifth point, National Assembly, Asia Kabul. And the answer is Darul Aman. Children, you can check your answers from here. Check points. Write true or false. First one, the parliament makes laws for our country. And the answer is true. Second one, the Rajya Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. And the answer is false. Third point, the prime minister is the head of our country. And the answer is false. India has a multi party system. And the answer is true. Children, you can check your answers from here. Read and answer. A. Tick the correct answers. First one. The lawmaking body in our country is called and the options are A. National Assembly, B. Federal Assembly, C. Congress, D. Parliament. And the answer is D. Parliament. Second point. The Lok Sabha can have a maximum of, and the options are A. 12 members, B. 552 members, C. 238 members, D. 250 members. And the answer is 552 members. Third point. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of dash years. And the options are A. 2, B. 10, C. 6, D. 5. And the answer is C. 6. Fourth point, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as the president from, and the options are A. 1992 to 1997, B. 1997 to 2002, C. 2002 to 2007, D. 2007 to 2012. And the answer is C. 2002 to 2007. Fifth point, the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by and the options are A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Speaker, D. Governor. And the answer is A. President. Children, you can check your answers from here. B. Fill in the blanks. First one, the dash consists of the President, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. And the answer is Parliament. Second point, the dash is also known as the lower house. And the answer is Lok Sabha. Third point, the dash of India is the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. And the answer is Vice President. Fourth point, the President of India is elected for a term of dash years. And the answer is 5 years. Fifth point, the highest judicial body in a state is the dash. And the answer is Supreme Court. Children, you can check your answers from here. C. Answer these questions. First one, which provision in the Constitution help in the proper governance of the country? Second, write three differences between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Third one, how is the central government formed? Fourth one, what is a legislative assembly? How is it formed? Fifth one, write a short note on the judiciary. Question 1. Which provision in the constitution help in the proper governance of the country? Answer. The central government or the union government makes laws for the whole country. This law making body is known as the parliament. It consists of the President of India. This is how it helps in the proper governance of the country. Write three differences between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Answer. Lok Sabha. It is known as the lower house of the parliament. Second point. Members are elected for 5 years. Third point. It can have a maximum of 552 members. Rajya Sabha. It is the upper house of the parliament. Members are elected for 6 years. It can have a maximum of 250 members. Question 3. How is the central government formed? Answer. The central government or the union government makes laws for the whole country. This law making body is known as the parliament. It consists of the President of India and the two houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. This is how the central government is formed. Question 4. What is a legislative assembly? How is it formed? Answer. Every state has a legislative assembly. It makes laws for the state. The members of the legislative assembly, MLAs, are elected by the people who are more than 18 years of age. They are elected for a term of 5 years. Question 5. Write a short note on the judiciary. Answer. The Supreme Court in New Delhi is the highest judicial body in our country. It gives the final judgment in any legal case. There can be a maximum of 34 judges in the Supreme Court. The highest judicial position is that of the Chief Justice. All the judges are appointed by the President of India. Here we ends up with the exercise of chapter 18, Governing Ourselves. See you in the next class.